all of our riders, and of course, enjoy!
Hi guys, what's up Mananap? This is Bornok Mangosong, the king of Philippine motocross from Yamaha Motor Philippines.
And this is Pia Gabriel, your Philippine motocross princess, and iniimbitahan namin lahat ng motocross fans at hindi pa motocross fans na sumama sa amin dito sa pakarera ngayong Sunday dito sa
LUCC Grounds, Sevilla, City of San Fernando, La Union. Lahat ng mga tropa natin na gustong manood ng bakbakan at maaksyon na labanan, and also everyone around the area, punta kayo dito at mag-enjoy tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless.
guys.